Welcome all of you. I hope you will be fine. We will start our next session about D and different types and styles of D. Now I written D. Focus on my fingers and let's. This is D. And another one is also like that. D. This is you will make this with practice. And this is also another style. I always say that you written this in different occasion, in different places, just like an examination, in other things you have to written like this. This is another one. If you written start writing from that and you make this first one, then you will see this is look like different. This is also another style. First of all, you focus on finger. This is so important. Then when you learn this narrow and middle type, then you will be written like this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you will be fine and subscribe my channel. Also, goodbye.